Mid-January 2013 was the grade A for capital of Indonesia, Jakarta. Some areas in Jakarta were flooded. Dozens of villages on the banks of the Ciliwung River flooded up to 4 feet. Thousands of residents were forced. This is the Ciliwung River, which flows from Bogor to Jakarta. Heavy rains in Bogor caused rivers to overflow. On Thursday, January 17, 2013, the water level at the Manggarai sluice in South Jakarta, the Ciliwung flooding bellwether, to 1,030 centimeters, exceeding the highest risk level of 950 centimeters. The worst floods soaked dense settlements in dozens of villages, such as dense settlements on the banks of the Ciliwung River, the Village Bidaracina, Cawang, South Jakarta. Flood victims evacuated to safe places, even among those set up camps on the edge of the highway. A number of children utilizing flood by rentable canoe to transport. Traffic congestion occurs everywhere.